Hi plonkers! With my new t-shirt! Woo! My shirts arrived from foulmouthshirts.com today, and how awesome is this? Thanks Pope Cannon, you're the bomb! Foulmouthshirts.com, please go and check him out. He's awesome, he's got some really great t-shirts, brilliant stuff, make me laugh, and they can buy one for themselves because they're not fucking getting mine, okay? JackAss June madness happening at the moment, where you get t-shirt for $12.99, and he ships pretty much anywhere, especially now that I bitched that they don't ship to South Africa, but now they do, because I got my t-shirt. How excited I am that they arrived, and how excited I am about wearing them, and thanks Pope Cannon, you're the bomb. And we're on the way to Megan's school because it's parents' evening, and I've got to go and chat to her teachers about Megan's awesome schoolwork. Congratulations, Megan, you had a great report. 14 fours, that means I owe you 140 bucks, 10 rand for each four. Awesome. Yeah, and then tomorrow is Daddy's big surprise. I don't want to reveal too much about it just yet, but he's definitely going to be surprised, and I'm not going to tell. I haven't even told the kids about it because the kids will blab to Daddy. So I'll have lots of footage from what we do on Saturday, and I'll come back and vlog about it next week, and you guys can enjoy what we did on Saturday. Cheers for now. Bye plonkers.
Yeah, you just wait. Stick around.